In this lecture, we're going to show how we can compare two documents. For instance, some part or assembly over a period of time can be changed. Some features can be added, some can be removed, some can be modified. And if you have a big part or big assembly, it can take a lot of time to see all the details that has been added, removed, or changed. That's why we can use Compare Document tool. So let's go to Evaluate, and here we have Compare Documents. First, we have to choose our reference document. We go with Compare Document 1, and then Modify Document 2. So what can we compare? We can compare document properties, features, geometry, and also let's check aligned parts that our coordinate system are aligned. Also, we can include bill of materials table if we have an assembly. So let's run our comparison. And now let's see what is the difference. In the first step, we can see what is the size of the document, where is the last time saved, what is the mass, volume, and so on. In the second step, we can see what was added. We see that in the first document, Filet 2 doesn't exist, this one. And we see that Filet 1 and Boss Extrude has been modified. So let's go to the third step. So we want to see what material are removed. Let's click here, and we see that this material on the top face and fillet here was removed to get this part here. We can see which material we have to add here to get part 1. So we have to add this one. And the third one is common volume, and this shows us what is the same, what those two parts have in common. We can also compare phase. So we can check which faces are unchanged. We can check which are unique faces and which are modified. So by using Compare Documents, you can save a lot of time, and SOLIDWORKS does the most of the work for you.